you'd be forgiven for being a little confused about the barrage of handsets coming from HMD Global under the Nokia brand. In the past year since the reintroduction of Nokia on Android, ditching Windows Phone, and we've seen a wide array of devices surface. The original Nokia 7 launched in China in late 2017 and is now joined by the Nokia 7 Plus. There's been no word on whether we're getting the Nokia 7, but this feature-packed mid-ranger is a lot more interesting. Nokia 7 Plus gets premium design. 158.38 x 75.64 x 7.99 mm. Aluminium unibody design with exposed highlights. 18:9 aspect display. The Nokia story has so far centered around design, starting life as a 6000 series block of aluminium. The Nokia 7 Plus is carved out of it so you get a solid handset. We've been impressed with Nokia's devices so far for this, and the 7 Plus continues this trend. This is a large phone, packing in a 6-inch display, but moving to an 18:9 aspect is very much the trend. This is Nokia's first 18:9 phone, so it doesn't bear much resemblance to the Nokia 7 that originally launched in China. Despite that big display, the frame is only 75 mm wide, and incredibly slim at 7.99 mm, so it doesn't feel like a big phone. Such is the 18:9 advantage and the reason this new format is becoming popular. Nokia hasn't quite hit the screen-to-body ratio of some of the best examples of this new format, like the LG V30, and there's still a decent bit of bezel above and below the display, if not so much to the sides. Not only is this a solid phone thanks to that metal bodywork, but HMD Global has poured attention into the painting that it gets too. The aim is to create a ceramic feel to this phone, so it gets 6 layers of paint and the result is highly accomplished. Highlights remain exposed, so you'll get a nice contrast between the main body color and the details. This is the sort of attention that HTC once used to pour into its phones, and it's nice to see the level of detail here. It's a full HD phone, so in this instance it's 2160 x 1080 pixels, resulting in 403 ppi. That doesn't quite match the detail of some of the flagship phones out there which are pushing Quad HD resolutions, but as companies like Huawei and Honor have demonstrated, it's not always about packing in those pixels. It's an LCD panel and first impressions are pretty good. It's nice and vibrant, but it's difficult to gauge whether it will suffer in bright conditions and so on, but what you are getting is plenty of space to play.